हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर डीएस इंग्लिश कोचिंग क्लासेस। आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 10th का चैप्टर नंबर 6 द 100 ड्रेसेस सेकंड। तो आइए करते हैं शुरुआत। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डिड मिस्टर पेट्रोन्स्की लेटर से? आंसर, Mr. Petronsky later said that Wanda would not come to school anymore as they were shifting to another city. He was hurt the treatment meted out to his children in the school. He also said that in another city, nobody would ask them why they had funny names because bigger cities have cosmopolitan population. Next question है, is Miss Mason angry with the class or is she unhappy and upset? Answer, yes, Miss Mason is unhappy, the ups and upset rather than being angry. She was disturbed by the ill treatment to Wanda by the students of her class. At the same time, she believed that whatever the children did was just out of childish thoughtlessness. She did not approve of the humiliation of a child just because of her name, looks, or to where she belonged. She also hoped that children will learn a lesson from his episode. Question number 3. How does Maddie feel after listening to the note from Wanda's father? Answer, after listening to the note from Wanda's father, Maddie has a very sick and guilty feeling in the bottom of her stomach. She could not concentrate when she tried to prepare her lessons. She had not at all enjoyed listening to Peggy ask Wanda how many dresses she had in her closet. She felt bad on being a mute spectator and treated her behavior as of a coward. Next question. Question number 4. What does Maddie want to do? Answer, Maddie want to tell Wanda that she didn't want to hurt her feelings and also that whatever fun they made of her was a childish prank and they didn't really mean to humiliate her. Next question. What excuses does Peggy think up for her behavior? Why? Answer, Peggy think as different excuses for her behavior. She was satisfied that she never called Wanda a foreigner or made fun of her name. Peggy thinks that she was a introspection behind Wanda was the inspiration behind Wanda's drawings. Had she not asked Wanda about how many dresses she had, she would not have drawn so beautifully. Peggy realized that she had made a mistake of making fun of Wanda, but she did not want to confess openly. So she trying making such excuses. Next question. What are Mary's thoughts as they go to Boggins Heights? Answer. Mary is feeling bad about Wanda and herself. She is feeling very sad or not even getting a chance to say sorry to Wanda. She is also thinking to tell her that she will school thought how wonderful she was and that she must not leave the school because of their behavior. Next question. Why does Wanda's house remind Maddie of Wanda's blue dress? Answer. Wanda's blue dress was old, faded, but used to be neat and clean. Similarly, her house was small and maxed, maxed, magnified, magnified makeshift but clean. Wanda was a poor girl, but she was sober and probably more mature than other kids of her age. Maybe her hardships had taught her great lessons in the life, which is evident in the way she used to keep her dress or her house. Next question. What does Maddie think hard about? What important decision does she come to? Answer. Wanda thinks about not letting anything wrong happen to anyone. She makes a vow that she would protest against injustice. She won't be a mute spectator spectator the way she was in Wanda's case. In a way, the episode of Wanda's family leaving that city works as major turn of heart that completely changed Maddie's personality. Next question. What did the girl write to Wanda? The girl actually wanted to write a letter stating their true feelings and that they felt sorry for making fun of her, but landed up writing a formal letter telling her that she had won the contest. They also wrote how pretty her drawings were. They asked her if she liked the place where she was living and if she liked her new teacher. They wanted to say that they were sorry, however, they could not gather the courage to write what they actually felt. They ended up just writing a friendly letter. They signed it with lots of for love. X for love. Next question. Did they get ready? Did they get a reply? How was more anxious for a reply? Peggy or Maddie? How do you know? Answer. No, they did not get a reply. Maddie was more anxious for a reply as she thought a lot about it and felt connected to Wanda as she was also from a poor family. She was getting anxious of not getting a chance to say sorry to Wanda. It was Maddie who first noticed her face or Wanda's drawing. Peggy, on the other hand, had begun to forget about the wool affair. This show that Maddie was more anxious for a reply than Peggy. Next question. How did the girls know that Wanda liked them even thought they had tested her? Answer. The girls came to know that Wanda liked them even thought they had tested her as she had asked Miss Mason to give the green dress with red trimming to Peggy and the blue one to Maddie. Later, when Maddie looked at the drawings very carefully, she realized that the had Peggy's face. This clearly indicated Wanda's liking for them. हो आप सभी को यह वीडियो पसंद आया होगा और आप सभी अपनी कॉपी में अच्छे से लिखेंगे और अपनी आने वाली एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी करेंगे। आप सभी इन वीडियोस को अच्छे से देखते हैं मगर कोई भी लाइक और कमेंट नहीं करते हैं, ना ही शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करते हैं। होप आप सभी लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करेंगे और आपके लिए ऐसे ही अच्छे वीडियो और आते रहेंगे।